tighten it down and start winching. But like,
I'm waiting for me to see the thing that I like in the reel.
Like the.
Yeah, like constant that.
Winch down real.
Oh yeah, he's on.
So y'all just saw some of the footage of those runs, and right now Myles is hooked up. What you think? How big?
Maybe around 100 pounds. 560.
So we've got a 100-pound estimate. The battle rage is on. PVC pipe bent.
I don't think I will.
I think y'all were the good luck charm. We didn't have any luck for y'all, Kate.
Yeah? Wow, I'm so special.
Or Cody.
Now if it isn't a snorkel sword.
Yeah, it was either y'all or Cody.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Where is Cody?
I didn't know who that was. I didn't know that was Cody. Oh, he definitely does.
Dude, that's a good ass flavor.
Thank you.
Bless your heart, bro. I'll buy you a new one.
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how much of me you can see because of this lighting, but we're hooked up to a nice shark. We got Myles on the pole. It's his turn to catch one, and we've had 4 or 5 runs so far. We've been sitting out here pretty much all night watching the fireworks, and right now he's winching him in.
Hey, see how far it looks like it's out?
Yeah, he's way out past the sandbar, so that spool's pretty empty, so it's probably going to be a minute, so I may cut some of this fight down.
What?
It's down there by the. It was down there on the sand, like it was past where he's digging through.
Oh, he doesn't know where it's at?
What's that?
We can get it once we get it back.
It's a hooker, but we're gonna have to run down there and get it.
Oh shit. Yeah, he is. Oh. That looked a little scary, to be honest. Did that bust off? No. Oh my god. This is a good size, dude.
Holy crap! Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, de-hooker. No, those are parasites.
Oh, no way.
Hold on. Hey, I gotta get the crimper. Come on, stay there.
Yo. Look at his He's got an old hook in his mouth. There's literally an old hook in his mouth. What?
Okay, whoever has my phone, can you please get it out? Myles, come here. Look at me, look at me.
I got a good
Yo, that's pretty sick. All right. Oh!
Yeah.
All right. Cody, you filming?
Yeah. Oh!
Here, hold that.
Ryan, what's up? Here.
Here. Come on, should we knock off those parasites?
Ew, no, don't touch those. Those are nasty.
Come on, yeah, move them back and forth. Just, yeah, wiggle them back and forth.
Are y'all letting it go?
Yeah.
There you go.
Woo!
Hell yeah.
Woo! Miles! Yo. Good
yeah.
stuff. Yo.